Hey everybody, I am here with a Nadine West unboxing. And if you're already subscribed to my channel and already watched my videos, you've probably noticed I haven't done a Nadine West unboxing in the last couple of months. The reason I haven't done an unboxing with Nadine West in the last couple of months is because you know how, I'm trying to explain it. You see these like big influencers, they'll take a break from social media. Well, if you follow Nadine West over on Instagram and Facebook, you've probably noticed that they just now started posting again after like a month or two break. Like people that take breaks from social media, they kind of do like a little inward reflection. They find ways to, grow, and they come back and they're just glowing and refreshed, and they've made changes in their lives that are for the better, and they're able to give us better content because they have this new like awakening because they took that time to find themselves. Nadine West kind of did the same thing. They took a little break from their social media accounts, and they kind of looked at what the customers want, what the customers are saying, and they just wanted to provide a better experience for everyone that uses Nadine West. So they took that little break, they all sat down, and they all were like, what can we do? We need to, make this the best experience out of a clothing subscription that you can get. And even though I didn't think Nadine West could get any better, because I was already very pleased with their subscription, they have made some changes, and you're going to slowly start to see those changes. And one of the changes that they've made is go over to their website, Nadine West website. If you haven't visited it in a while, you'll notice that it's got this new beautiful design to it, a nice professional, like new age look to it. Everything's laid out so great. It's so easy to navigate, and there's also, like I said, if you're following them on Instagram and Facebook, you've already seen the changes there. But they have like new layouts. Let me show you what they're doing that I really love. Okay, they've got new little layouts that are just so cute. They're actually posting to stories now, and it's really interactive. It asks you like this or that and all that. And I want to highly encourage you, if you do receive Nadine West subscription or you plan to, go over to their stories and actually interact with their stories. Tell them what outfits you like better than the others, because that's going to determine, that kind of gives them an idea into what we're wanting to see in our packages. So they can see if the majority is wanting, basics, or are we wanting more trendy, or, so that helps a whole lot. So be over there on their socials, be active, let your voice be heard, because they're listening. And another thing that I really love that they're doing is they're actually showing us people that work with Nadine West. This is Rudy. She is a personal stylist with Nadine West, and they tell us a little bit about the actual people behind the company and what they do, and give us a little insight into who they are. And I love that it's becoming not just a clothing experience, but a personal experience too, because we're actually getting to see the faces and know the names of the people behind picking the clothes and getting the clothes together for us and all that. So I really love that they're doing that. Also, another change that they're doing And it's not available yet, I don't believe. I don't see it on their website yet. But they're gonna start offering a 7 for $99 payment option, and it's just a one-time purchase option. You'll get 7 items for $99, and you have a little more control over it. It's not just going to be completely random. You're actually going to be able to pick a few of they're going to give you options on a few of the pieces that actually go into the shipment. And like I said, it's a one-time shipment option. If the monthly subscription thing is not for you, then really look into this. Like, it could be, and maybe you get the monthly subscriptions, but you feel like you need a little more and you want something a little more personalized. This is a great option. If you're going into a new season, if you're going on vacation, if you lost weight and you need a refresh for your closet, this is such a great option because it's 7 items for $99, which it ends up being around $15 per item. You can't get that in the store. $15 an item? Come on, guys. We know, we've been in the stores, we've been shopping, we know that is an amazing deal. So I'll keep y'all updated as that becomes available, and also keep an eye on their website and their socials. I'm sure they're gonna put it out over there as well. But I'll also let you know here when that becomes available and more details emerge on that. But I'm really excited for that option. I think it's going to be amazing, especially for a lot of people that don't necessarily want to do the monthly, or for people that want to add to the monthly and have more of a personal hand at actually what goes into their shipments. So that is a really great thing that is coming up. I'm really excited for where they're headed. With the company. It's just a new, fresh look, and I feel like we're going to start seeing higher quality items. I feel like we're going to see more trending items, current styles, and I think they're going to actually be looking at our style profiles a little harder and actually listening to our reviews and everything a little more closely. So if you get Nadine West, make sure you're leaving those reviews, you're updating your style profile, and you're interactive on their socials, because that's going to let them know what you want to see in these bags. So, I just wanted to let y'all guys know what all the updates were and all the changes were that I know of so far. And as I learn more and as I see more, I'll let you guys know. But I'm ready to get into this shipment and see what I got. So let's open it up and see what they sent me. Alright. Comes rolled up all nice. And okay, we got a jewelry item. We got some earrings, it looks like. It is by the brand Tell Your Tale, and it's these cute little dangly gold earrings. Let me check it out the package. The package is kind of reflecting my light, so I want y'all to actually see these. They're really cute. I love a good statement earring, and I feel like these give a bold enough statement because they're long and they're really, really pretty. See? Those are just absolutely gorgeous. I like those. Those are really pretty. Alright, and then we got is this a dress? It is a dress. That is so pretty. It's a long, it almost looks like at first, yeah, it's got a little paisley design in it. And it is like turquoise and coral, just nice little summer colors. It's a light, loose fabric, and it looks like it's going to be like a maxi type length, and that is trending really big right now. So I'm excited to try that on. That's going to be absolutely perfect for summer. And I see denim. Y'all know how I am with denim. I love getting denim in my shipments. This is from Express. Y'all know how I feel about Express. I love Express jeans. and they just fit so good. These are absolutely so cute. Oh, they've got a little rip here, and they look like they're a relaxed fit, which is really what I like right now. I really never thought I would get away from my skinny jeans. I was die-hard skinny jeans for a very long time. But I'm actually really enjoying the loose and relaxed fit jeans. They're so comfortable, and you can wear them with a little fitted top, and it's just a whole vibe. Like, I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to try these on. They look like they're a relaxed fit. And I like the express jeans because they got a little bit of stretch to them, but not too much to where it's like really spandexy. You actually have a really good sturdy denim material also, so I'm excited about those. Y'all know I am. Alright, and then our second little goal here. Again, a nice little package. And get in here and see what we got. Okay, this is, oh, it's like an athletic top. Oh, I love that color. That is such a pretty color. It's a crop top type, almost like something between a crop top and a sports bra. It feels like it's got a lot of support on the inside. See if I can turn this inside out if you can see. A lot of structure. So it's something between like a crop top and a sports bra. It's by Body Glove. And that's a good brand. So I love this. I've been needing more athletic type stuff. I've been trying to like go on walks and work out. So I was like, I really need some more athletic. And of course, I'm die-hard yoga. I do yoga almost every day. So I was needing more athletic stuff. So I'm really glad this came in. And this color I just absolutely love. So I'm excited about trying that one on. And then what do we have here? We have a button-up shirt. And I love this color. It's like it looks more brown on camera, but it's more like a bronzy, shimmery, not shimmery, but kind of just metallic type look to it. You can kind of see it right there as I shift. It's really nice material. It's lightweight. It is by the brand Pedal Do. And I've been wanting more button-up shirts. Like, I just absolutely love how classy it looks. You can put, you can just wear this just buttoned up with some slacks, casual, and wear like a tank underneath it and some little blue jean shorts and some cute little sandals. So I am thrilled I got that. I'm so excited. And then we got some pants, it looks like. And this is by the brand Maze Collection. I think so. Yeah, Maze Collection. And it looks like it is a relaxed fit slack. And it's got the little gold buttons on the side. And it's just a really comfy material. Like, if you have to be dressy, if you have to dress up, like, these feel like yoga pants. They feel like soft, stretchy yoga pants, but they're classy looking. So that's going to be really good to grab when you have to dress up, but you don't want to feel all stuffy and everything. So I love that. Okay, that is such a good shipment. And then of course you get your little sheet here that has your return label. So make sure you don't lose that. And then it's got all your instructions right there on how to return what you don't want. And here is your little price list, and we'll go over that after we try everything on. And also in your bag, you'll have another bag that you will use to return all your items so that you don't want. So you only pay for what you keep. So you keep what you love, what you don't absolutely love, you send back. I highly encourage you to try absolutely everything on that they send you, because I have gotten stuff before and I'm like, I'm not sure about this. This isn't my style. Tried it on, loved it. So we're going to do that now. We're going to try everything on and see what we like and see what we don't. A little bronzy button-up shirt. and our nice dress pants. I love that they're a relaxed fit pant, so they're not super like tight and everything, and they'll look so cute with a little heel. I love the little button detail on it. It's very, very cute. Like I said before, very soft, comfortable fabric. I feel like I'm wearing pajama pants. No lie. Like, these are so comfortable. I can be, like, I look super dressed up right now. Pair a little low heel with it, and I would still be so comfortable. Feel like I'm wearing pajamas. Want something a little more casual, you can unbutton the last few buttons and tie it in the front, which is actually probably how I'll end up wearing it most of the time. I'll probably tie it like for summer. I think this is a really cute outfit just like this. Put some little heels with it, and this could even like be a little going out with the girls outfit. Like this little skin showing here is casual up top, but dressy and cute also. So this would be a cute little going out with the girls outfit. Here's the athletic top and the denim jeans. These may be my new favorite jeans. I love the relaxed fit. These are gonna look so cute with some little sneakers. I love it. They fit so good. They're so comfortable. The athletic top, oh my gosh, it fits like a dream. It has the perfect support for working out, but I could also throw it on with something like this and just have a little casual fit for the day. Like, I could just see this outfit right here with some cute little athletic sneakers and some chunky gold jewelry. Such a casual, cute look, like just simple and pretty and cute, and it fits amazing. This is like completely 100% my vibe. Like, absolutely love this. This is so cute. I love this color. I feel like this color looks really good on me. But not least is this dress is giving total boho vibes. I have a regular bra underneath it right now, but you could put a little lace bralette underneath this and it would just be so cute. It's just nice and flowy. If you wanted more structure to it, you could put a belt with it. I think that would be really, really cute. And there's just, you could put a little jean jacket with it going into the fall months. Like, this is actually really versatile. It is a lighter weight dress, so it's ideal for summertime, but it could easily transition into fall too with a jean jacket and a little belt. It's so cute. I love this. And I didn't say it earlier, but it's by the brand Millabon, and it's just adorable. I love how lightweight it is and flowy. I went ahead and put on the earrings they sent us because I think they're just so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and wear them because I love them. I love like that they're statement, but not too much. I love that we're starting to get athletic wear, and of course I always love the denim. The denim's fantastic, but I feel like the quality is amazing. I cannot wait to see what we get in our shipments going forward because I am so pleased with what I'm getting. And so that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification. Put down in the comments what was your favorite thing that came in. Every like and comment and subscribe helps me so much over here on my channel, and I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.